Yeah, got hold of that. Showing some talent and power that Samad has, and giving some entertainment to his home crowd.
The best moment for Abdul Samad to tell Iftikhar what metal he is made of. Into his zone and a strong 6. The first boundary Usama has conceded in the last 3 overs, and a big one. And backed it up with another one, even taller and much longer. Back-to-back 6s for Abdul Samad. Usama on the back foot.
You got to really watch out your length. What are you bowling at him? On the front foot and just gets underneath it because of that reach. He's got a wide stance. He's got 2 very strong hits on the onside now. He tried to take the pace off, but he's got too much power. Samad is now enjoying this outing here in Faisalabad.
Yeah, as if he was saying, with love from Lalpur. Already his 3rd maximum. Clearly telling what metal he is made of. Welcomed Ahmad Butt with his big bang.
Beria Town Champions Cup. Oh, he's gone through. He just fielded so well at point, and this time has just gone through him.
Touch the ball from his fingertips and more runs. Clear frustration for Ahmad Butt, inside edge. But everything is happening for UMT Markhors. Back-to-back boundaries.
Oh, he's got bat on that. He's gone over that short 3rd. Another boundary. We spoke about him at the start of the game's play. That's hit hard. That should be a boundary. Runs are flowing from Samad's bat now. Smashed away through extra. That's a flat bat shot, a horizontal bat shot. It has nothing to do with anything except power, sheer power.
And Usama under tons of pressure. Quick use of feet, rocked onto the back foot. And then perfect connection. What a moment and a brilliant evening for Abdul Samad. Just a couple of runs away from his 50.
Shot. That's a shot and a half. That's not an easy shot to play over extra cover. What an innings, what a knock.
Wow, if you went for a cup of tea, welcome back. This is Abdul Samad. In the blink of an eye, he's completed his first 50 of the Champions Cup. Welcome to the big stage, Abdul Samad. Still 5 deliveries to go. And remember, if they could score another 11 runs, which is now pretty much possible, they would be in a position to claim a bonus point. Remember, if they are going to win.
Oh, he's opened the face, sliced it, and that's gone all the way. Tell you what, this boy is special.
Unbelievable scoring. All 4 corners of Iqbal Stadium. As if he was waiting for this opportunity right from the get-go. Hit the ground running and still counting.
Clever bowling, slowing it down and slowing it to the extent that it doesn't go anywhere. And it's been taken by Shadab down at wide long off, but he's done the damage. He's done his job, what he was sent for.
It felt like as if he had to wait for ages to get on to that ball. Got the connection, but played in the air. An extraordinary innings by Abdul Samad in his home ground. Taken away the initiative from Lake City Panthers. 1 delivery to go. Abdul Samad gone back 347 for 6 UMT Markhors.